Hi guys, welcome back to Finpact, and I'm so sorry I have not been here for a while, but I am back and I promise I'm going to give you guys the best projects that I think are going to excel in this new crypto, blockchain, AI, tech, the list goes on world. Because it can be hard. It's really hard to find a good solid project that has good backing and actually delivers results. I mean, it's a tricky thing. So I did some digging and I found a really cool project that aligns with all the trends. And usually for me, a project will do well if it successfully aligns with all the trends and gives investors profit. Okay, so today I want to cover a really cool project called Qutom, and I'm going to jump straight into their website in a second, but I just want to give you guys an overview that this is a really cool hydrogen power staking and energy trading project. But the one thing I will say is, guys, everything I say in this video is my own research, my own opinions. I'm not a financial advisor. Make sure you do your own research. Anyway, guys, today I found a really cool project called Qutom. Now, Qutom is an AI-driven hydrogen power staking and energy trading platform. So as you can see, this is the website. Now, the interesting thing about Qutom is that they have spotted something that's happening in the market. They know that there's a shift towards renewable energy, hydrogen power in particular. And this industry for hydrogen power has seen unprecedented growth since 2013. So when you see an industry growing rapidly, then you know there's potential. But the key thing I want to tell you guys in this video is how do they exactly make you the profit? Now, they have different products that you can actually put your funds in and then you stake your funds. So in layman's terms, think of an interest rate account. If you put in your funds, you get interest. So staking is basically that. So that's what Qutom uses. So if you want to, say, invest in one of their products, so public GP, residential, industrial, blockchain, you basically will put in your funds, and that is you staking them, where you are sort of giving a commitment that I'm not going to withdraw my funds until you're able to produce the yield. Now, they use AI to optimize that process. So all the complicated stuff that you would have had to do, you don't need to do. So staking in this case is that you're committing resources to help support the hydrogen production and storage. Now, the AI they use optimizes that process. So the AI can predict, when the best times to store, process. I don't really know. I'm not a hydrogen expert, but they do the clever hydrogen specialist stuff for you. Now, I want to show you how easy it is to actually sign up. So you just click on the sign up button here and fill out your details. So your, the standard stuff, your email address, your name, your password, and then you confirm the privacy and policy. So that's that. And then you will have your account. Now, I want to show you my account. I've invested $3,000 in funding, and you can see that I have made this much in profit. So it's really easy to deposit. This is the dashboard. When you've signed up, you click on deposit, literally as simple as that. And it will take you to a page where they will give you options on how you deposit. So I will show you. Let me just log in. There we go. So so I'll go back to the dashboard. You click on deposit, and then select your payment gateway. So do you want to pay on Ethereum? Do you want to pay from your wallet? Just make sure you choose the correct a token with the exact address, because then obviously when you click on this, it will generate sort of an address for you to send your cryptos to, but make sure you don't send it on the wrong address. I have done that before and it is not cute. I mean, I did that many years ago. I'd like to say I'm not that much of a noob anymore. I've been in crypto for a long time now. Anyway, so back to the dashboard, and then you can see I made $630 in profit. So that's pretty cool. So these are the options you can get yield on. So residential GP trade, public GP trade, or industrial GP trade. I personally think public is my favorite. That's what I did. And I got this profit, $630 in 7 days. So that's pretty cool. Okay, so withdrawals are super easy. All you have to do is click on withdraw, and then you click on withdraw account. And the reason I'm saying withdraw account, you add an account for yourself. So the account you're going to withdraw your funds. So let's say I want to withdraw, I don't know, XRP. Then I will put my wallet address for XRP, I will basically add that withdrawal account. So I'm not going to add it right now, but let's say I just add it through that. I haven't filled this out yet. And then if I go on to back to withdraw, then I've already added my wallet. So that will come up on this drop down method. So I haven't added it, but when I add it, it comes up here, and then you click on it, enter the amount you want to withdraw, and click withdraw money, and then it goes to your wallet. So really, really simple to make profits. Remember, staking does involve you locking up your funds for a certain number of days to make that profit, but that's the whole point. Now, for me, a good company is not just a good product. It's also the team. Are they involved? Are they out there making their name? Now, on Twitter, or X, should I say, Qutom posted this. They made an X post and they mentioned that they went to the sectional upgrade conference, which is very cool. And they said that they expect that the surge in green energy production is going to go up by 80% in just the next, till 2026, so pretty much 1 year from now. That is pretty impressive. And if that's going to happen, then the profits you'll make when you do energy trading through Qutom and staking have huge potential to increase. Naturally, if an industry is growing, there's more demand for hydrogen power, then the profits will also increase. So yeah, you can see some of these photos are pretty cool. I kind of wish I went. So it's really, really good to see, that the company is out there at conferences, really trying to make a difference. And something that I heard from the company is that they have actually transitioned their users. 70% of their users have transitioned from the residential GP trade to all the way up to the industrial level ones. So you can see that there is progress in the people that have been investing. And the reason that's interesting is because they advanced from the residential GP trading to the industrial. So that definitely shows the strength and appeal of the industrial GP trade. I believe it's their most purchased one, actually. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. Give me your thoughts in the comments below and let me know if you have dealt with Qutom yourself. I'm really pleased with the results because 7 days profit, $630, having put in $3,000. It's a no-brainer for me. But remember, guys, every single investment will involve risk. So make sure you do your own research. And also, guys, I urge you to follow them on Twitter so that you can find out more about what Qutom is doing and their latest updates. And yeah, signing up is super easy. And I want to hear your results. So I'll see you guys in the next video. And yeah, anything else? No, like and subscribe. Bye, guys.